Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can practice dribbles in comments tutorial of eFootball 2024. So you can learn how to feint, how to dash, and many more. You can train dribbles or practice your dribbles in a gameplay. But before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can complete the quest, how you can challenge defense, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tapping the extras. Tap the training. As you can see, there are two options here. Tap the comments tutorial. You can play the classic comment tutorial as many times as you want. And try the first one, the dribbles. So in this practice dribbles, you can do it anytime you want. Just slide, just do it patiently, try to control the ball, and now press the dash. You have to run. Please try this dribble every time or every day to master the gameplay. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.